What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video. It's Dipen from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. #1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Today, we're checking out Pickaxe, a no-code platform that helps you build, deploy, and monetize AI tools to leverage the AI creator economy. With Pickaxe, you can quickly create, easily deploy, and endlessly monetize AI tools without coding a thing. To start turning your expertise into powerful AI tools, simply describe your idea in the role box. You can build with the latest AI models, upload documents, URLs, and YouTube videos to the knowledge base, and add training dialogue and intro messages to round out your AI tool in the making. From there, you can test your AI tools in real time and continuously iterate on your idea. If you're already digging Pickaxe, then go ahead and upgrade to Tier 2 because you will unlock 750 more credits and 50 studios every single month. So let's do the math. Click Buy Now plus get lifetime access equals passive income for life. Deploying your AI tools with Pickaxe is a piece of cake. You can white label the whole thing and completely customize your chatbots. And when you're ready to deploy, just copy the embed code to add it to your website. Don't have a website? Then the Studio feature is for you. With this, you can manage user accounts and monetize all your tools with paywall, tiers, and subscriptions using the Stripe integration. So maybe you're a course creator who wants to embed AI widgets in every module, or maybe you're a consultant you're often looking to outsource some work to your own scalable chatbot. Maybe you're running an agency that wants to automate processes. Whatever your job looks like, Pickaxe is the best way to leverage the AI creator economy. So that's building, deploying, and monetizing AI apps without any code rolled into one platform. Yeah, I'd click that Buy Now button while you still can, because this lifetime deal won't be around much longer. Lock in your lifetime access to Pickaxe today.